Hello, welcome to the first video on my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to set up a Discord bot and write your first lines of code in Python. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and type in Discord developers. You'll click on the first link here, and then you'll go new application, and then you'll type in the name of your bot that you want to be. So we'll just go with testbot for now. Just create. Okay, so here what you can do is you can change the profile picture of the bot, add a description, but the main thing I'm going to do quickly is press copy on the client ID here. Then you just want to go to bot, go to add bot, yes. Now you've got your bot here. The username will normally be the same. We'll be using this client token later, but for now, this is just what you want to do on Discord developers. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do is go to the description. There should be a link there. I want you to copy that into your browser. It should look something like this. And you see this insert client ID here. We're going to replace this with what we copied just before. So Control V, then press enter. So you should see the name of your bot is there. And then what you're going to want to do is select the server they're going to add to it. So I'm just going to bot testing for now, and then press authorize. I'm not a robot. And now your bot will be added to your server. You have your bot all added to your server. We're just going to go down here and type cmd. I'm going to go pip install discord.py. Enter. So you're going to see something slightly different to this. It's going to take a little bit longer, but because I already have it installed, I get this. Alright, then we'll close our cmd. Do is open up idle. So idle. Open it up. So take a second, and then you're just going to do file, new file. Alright, so now we're just going to start writing our first few lines of code. So the first thing we're going to do is import that module installed before. So this is just a comment, by the way. Import modules. Alright, so we'll go import Discord, and then we'll also want to import commands from Discord. Alright, now we're going to initialize our bot. We're going to go with client is equal to commands.bot command underscore prefix. So now we're just going to initialize our prefix, which we'll use later. I am just going to use a, we'll just go with a $sign. So that's going to be the command symbol for my bot. Now we're going to actually start writing the code for the bot. So the first thing we're going to have is a client.event. So this will initialize on an event. I'm going to type async define, and then we want it to initialize on the event on message, and then this is just the argument that we want, which is the message that the user sent. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is make sure that the user that sent the message is not the same as the bot. So what we're going to type is if message.author, which is the user that sent the message, is equal to client.id, so client.user, which is the ID of the bot. And then if so, we're going to return, which will just exit out of this function. Okay, so now we're going to write the code that actually checks if the message is equal to hi. So the first thing we write is if message.content, and then we're going to grab from the first letter to the second letter, which is 1. Then so this is the actual message. And then we're going to check if this is equal to the word hi. And then if it is, the first thing we're going to want to do is set the channel to be the same as the message channel, which is just message.channel. And then we're also now going to send the message, which is await channel.send, and then our message. So our message is going to be hello. The final part of the code, we're going to need to go back to the Discord developer portal up here. And then you go to bot, and then right here under token, you're going to click copy. Then you'll go back to your code, type client.run, and quotation marks that. So this is going to actually run the client. So just before we run the code, there's something we need to change, which is this 1. We just need to change it to a 2. Perfect. Alright, so on idle, you want to press Control F5. Last you want to save, just press OK. Since Windows pops up, so now our code is running. I'm just going to go to Discord. Now we'll see on the right side, our bot here, testbot, is online. And then just in the chat, we're going to type our keyword, which is hi, and we should get a message back saying hello. And there we go, that's how you do it. That's how you make your first simple Discord.py bot on Python. Thanks for watching.